Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Hey everyone.
We snuck in here at Marathon in Florida. We wanted to check out this new coach. We heard about it.
Yeah.
You've got to see it.
So it's a coach that's sold, but we really want to show it to you because it just shows what Marathon is putting out right now. Some great coaches, great colors, great design. So this interior of this coach, Dawn is kind of showing you, and we're not even going to speak as we take you through this coach. Dawn's just going to basically, she may say a few things as she walks through it to bring to your attention, but this coach really, inside and outside, speaks for itself.
Good point.
I don't think we need to say anything, because I think as Dawn walks you through it, you're just going to be in awe at how beautiful this coach is. So super excited. Marathon, kudos to the people out in Oregon. You guys are really pumping out some awesome product, really thinking out of the box. So super excited. So let's go on and take a look.
All right, so let's get started in here. I just want you to see how awesome even just the steps are with the mats. They're beautiful. Let's take a minute and look at this. Very well thought out, very modern, contemporary, modern. We'll just turn a bit here. Okay, we'll just head on in. So we have the side pantry here and the fridge, freezer at the bottom, wood floor throughout, nice closet space, drawers, and this beautiful, beautiful half bath. Head into the bedroom and you'll get a full view of what this looks like. Again, more closet here. This has the big bathroom in the back. Large TV with storage on the sides. And then again, a little more closet space here with the full-length mirror on the door, which is always just a nice little extra. Those extra things always make us smile. Big shower inside. Let me see if I can open this so you can actually see it without that reflection. Just the beautiful tile inside here. Such a pretty shower. And then of course behind here, you're gonna have your washer dryer. I love how they tuck that away. This is a quad slide. And then you have a big hanging closet there in the back, right along with this absolutely gorgeous vanity in the back bathroom. So here we go, front to back. There's a great view of the salon area. I am sure the buyer of this coach is going to be thrilled. I have the 2 chairs. Let's meet Randy outside and check out the paint.
All right, everyone, we're on the exterior of Coach 1336 and super excited to point some things out to you. First of all, we call it our blackout. So this is kind of our blackout model. You can see the black wheels, the rims. And then another thing I want to point out is they took what's normally chrome and they made it almost like a truck liner material there. That is really cool.
So like what they put in the spray bed liners?
Yeah, exactly. Bed liner material. That's a great way to put it. Another thing I really want to point out is if you look at this paint job and you look at the marbling, and you know what? I don't even know if we can justify how beautiful this all looks in person. But Don will just kind of walk around a little bit and kind of give you a visual of what this looks like. So this is an H345 quad slide.
Yeah, that paint job's amazing. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a glare from the front window here, so we'll do it this way.
Yeah, it's like a mirror. You can see us walking.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, goodness. So pretty. There you have it. I hope this gave you a good vision of what it looks like. If you see it going down the road, just stop and take a look because it's beautiful.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of 1336. Like we said, this coach is sold, but just gives you an idea if you're looking to do a custom build of what we can do at Marathon. So if you're in the market for a new coach and would like to look at some of the options that our great team at the mothership can do for you, just feel free to reach out to Dawn or I or any of the sales consultants at Marathon in Texas, Oregon, or here in Florida.
Hey, thanks a lot for watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
See you later.